Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're finally at the track, and in front we have a Galant VR4, two Galant VR4s actually. Right in front of us we have an Accord Euro R, and behind us we have an Amuse Superleggera Supercharged 350Z. Right now we're on our warm-up laps because some of these people are new to the track, so we're trying to teach them the racing line before we actually go all out. So either way, sit back and relax and enjoy. Okay guys, so right now we're about to do the JDM hot lap challenge. So we have a supercharged 350Z, an Accord Euro R, a 2GZ swap Zafiro, an automatic Galant VR4 and this manual Galant VR4, and then my STI in the very back. So we accidentally left the the launch control on, so we have to restart the ECU. There we go. Okay, so launch control is disabled now. Let's go catch the others. So unfortunately, the 350Z and Accord owners had something urgent come up, so that leaves us with only 4 cars in the battle. A 2GZ swap Zafiro, an automatic Galant VR4 and a manual Galant VR4 before in front of me in my STM. So due to how hot the conditions are here, I'm going to be using the low boost setting, which is roughly 1.1 bar at 288 wheel horsepower. External wastegate sounds. Love it. Automatic Galant, WISHBOI. Find the right opportunity to take. Paliku! So yeah, I don't know if you guys can see it on the GoPro, but the oil temperature is 110 right now. So yeah, we should tone it down for a bit. Oh well, that's a bit of a shame. The battle didn't, you know, wasn't as fun as I expected, but it is what it is. As long as we get seat time, it's alright. And we're all in one piece. There were no accidents, so that's obviously a good thing. I'm gonna let the car cool down before we try and go for a hot lap and see how fast this car actually can go on this track. Although it's a bit hot right now, so hopefully wouldn't have any overheating issues. We'll go for like 2 or 3 hot laps and then cool down again. Hey guys, so change of plans. We didn't go for another run to see how fast this car could go because the temperatures were just getting a bit too hot. So we decided to just go home and have lunch because it's already almost 12 p.m. right now. So I guess we'll be going for the hot lap another time whenever we go back here. So yeah, that's about it for this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed it, please do leave a like. If you have any feedback, please do leave a comment down below. And if you want to see more content like this, do subscribe to the channel. So that's all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Maybe we can both explore this